Application of concepts. 1 ml of glacial acetic acid and 1 ml of ethanol are mixed together in a test tube. Few drops of concentrated sulfuric acid is added in the mixture, are warmed in water bath for 5 minutes. Answer the following. Name the resultant compound formed. Represent the above change by a chemical equation. What term is given to such a reaction? What are the special characteristics of the compound formed? Take 1 ml of ethanol, 1 ml of acetic acid and few drops of sulfuric acid in test tube. Put on a Bunsen burner and heat the water beaker. Now, take the test tube and put it into the water beaker. Warm the test tube in a water bath for at least 5 minutes. Pour the warm content into the beaker containing 20 to 50 ml of water. We will notice resulting mixture is a sweet odored substance. The resultant compound formed is ethyl acetate. Here, acetic acid, that is CH3COOH plus ethanol CH3CH2OH in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 or hydrosulfuric acid gives rise to ethyl acetate CH3COO C2H5 plus water H2O. This type of reaction is called esterification reaction. From this activity, we can conclude that the resultant compound formed is ethyl acetate. Acetic acid, that is CH3COOH plus ethanol CH3CH2OH in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 or hydrosulfuric acid gives rise to ethyl acetate CH3COO C2H5 plus water H2O. Esterification reaction. Ethyl acetate has characteristic sweet smell. It is used in making perfumes.